Tell me about your hair.
It's probably the longest it's been in a long time, so it's all heavy. But I haven't gotten a haircut on purpose because I wanted.
Have you ever been to someone like that specifically works on texture?
No.
What are you hoping for?
Just for it to be easier.
Okay, that makes a big difference into what I want to give you.
Yeah. And
It's a little different than just the cut.
Yeah, because I could go anywhere for just a cut. But even, when people say, oh, you want layers, it's like they just go dink, dink, so you could see like a step.
Yeah, you don't want the kind of like obvious separation in there.
Yeah, which is more apparent now that it's grown out.
Is this your hair just naturally air dried?
Yeah, I washed it yesterday and just let it air dry. But I did brush it 95% of the time, only comb it in the shower with conditioner so that I actually have curls.
Yeah.
But some days it doesn't allow for that.
Okay.
So yesterday was a wash and brush it,
Okay.
So my curl, it's a little flatter.
Are you hoping to see more of your natural texture show up in your hair? Are you hoping to see more of your natural texture show up in your hair?
Yeah, when you have color on top of curly hair,
Yeah.
even that texture changes. You know what I mean?
Definitely does.
So this looks different than like this colored part. So it's like, it's just a mess. Which I'm gonna fix this after the haircut, but
You gonna drop some color into it?
Yeah.
Cool. You gonna even it up to your natural? Perfect. I love
yeah,
that.
I just
Well,
wanted this first.
you did it in the right order.
Okay.
Always cut first and then color. Yeah, I don't know why the industry does it backwards.
But I want to pay attention to like my face structure because I'm a like cheeky.
Me too.
And, like like it's rounder. So even when I had it cut this short in like February and there was a layer in it, I'm a zennial, so I do a side part.
I like it.
I'm not a middle.
Do you toss it around?
Yes.
Perfect.
But when it's just like layered incorrectly, when you toss it, it's just a big poof on one side.
It's weird. There's like a chop
Yes.
into it. Yeah, no, somebody's doing it wrong then. They're probably doing it wet, pulling it straight, doing it as if you don't have texture.
So those are the little things that I want
Okay.
to not happen.
Yeah. The cut I got you, that's like honestly the easy part. If you were like, I don't care about anything else, just cut my hair, I can knock that out. It's easy. Let me ask you this though, since we're kind of going in reverse. Are you wanting to hold on to as much length as possible? Where would you be mad at me? The cut I got you, that's like honestly the easy part. If you were like, I don't care about anything else, just cut my hair, I can knock that out. It's easy. Let me ask you this though, since we're kind of going in reverse. Are you wanting to hold on to as much length as possible? You're okay with moving it up a little bit if we wanted to?
Yeah.
Where would you be mad at me?
Probably would stay around that.
That's a ton of room. Your side parter, you throw it around. We're gonna get into the health of it. What you're doing, what I'd rather you not be doing, what you'd be doing, and all that stuff.
Okie dokie.
Do you sleep with your hair wet?
No.
Do you blow it out straight?
Once every 6 months.
You said you want your hair to be easier.
Yeah.
That's what you told me when we first sat down.
And I mean, I don't know how feasible it is, but try to get back to like my college hair pre-kids where it was like just curly and not like
So as little as it sounds, blowing it out straight only twice a year, just like the color one time is going to change it, so is that. Like automatic. Especially on more sensitive hair types. If it's susceptible to damage, heat damage, the one time, whatever it was before, it will not be after ever again until it grows back in.
Yeah.
If your goal is to be like, I want my hair as healthy as possible, then no more blowing it out. So that's the heat damage. You're not sleeping with it wet. Are you putting any straight up oils in your hair to kind of like shellac it down or anything?
No.
Good. How often are you shampooing?
Twice a week.
I'm okay with twice a week. I like give me at least once, but no more than twice. This
Literally since July or June.
Oh.
And it was just
So I just went for shape. Oh, I love day.